Love hack: unlock oneness through your connections. Forget boring self-help gurus. This is a love hack. A cosmic shortcut to unlocking your true potential. We're talking deep connections, mind-blowing realizations, and a life woven with the fabric of something way bigger than you. Think Matrix-level mind shift, but fueled by the most powerful force in the universe, love. Ready to crack the code? Buckle up, because things are about to get awesome. The Cosmic Dance, where ego meets oneness. Picture the universe as a cosmic dance floor. Planets twirl around stars. Atoms tango in molecules. Even the laws of physics are like intricate steps in this grand choreography. And guess what? You're not just a guest, you're a freaking co-choreographer. But here's the twist. There are two competing rhythms: ego and oneness. Ego is the me first salsa, fueled by fear and scarcity. It's the voice whispering, grab everything you can, because the universe is a dog-eat-dog disco. Oneness, on the other hand, is the we're all in this together waltz, pulsating with love and abundance. It's the melody whispering, connect, give, and watch the magic unfold. Think about a thriving rainforest. Plants share oxygen with animals, creating balance. Fungi link roots, strengthening the ecosystem. Every living thing is connected, interdependent, part of the same glorious, messy Walties. Love hack 1: ditch the solo act, embrace the connection. So, how do we switch from the ego's salsa to the honest waltz? Love, baby. But not just romantic love. Compassion, kindness, service, giving. These are the secret steps to oneness. When you approach relationships with love, you tap into the cosmic flow of energy. Giving and receiving become one. Your well-being is linked to everyone's, and you unlock superpowers you never knew you had. Think about a volunteer who spends their time helping others. They might not get fame or fortune, but the joy of giving, the feeling of connection, that's the real reward. It's love in action, and it feeds the soul. Love hack 2: activate your kundalini and channel oneness. Now, this oneness thing isn't some woo-woo fantasy. It's a practical hack you can use every day. Here's the secret sauce. Your kundalini energy, the love force simmering within you. It's like a cosmic Wi-Fi that connects you to the all-knowing oneness network. And how do you unlock this Wi-Fi? Simple, through everyday acts of love in your relationships. Smile at a stranger. Listen deeply to a friend. Help a colleague in need. These tiny sparks activate your kundalini, propelling you towards oneness like a cosmic rocket ship. Think about a family that starts each day with gratitude towards each other. This simple practice fosters connection, strengthens bonds, and creates a more loving atmosphere. It's like pouring love fuel into the kundalini rocket and blasting off towards oneness. Love hack 3: service, the ultimate oneness booster. Forget self-serving quests for happiness. The real joy lies in giving, in service to others. When you help without expecting anything in return, you tap into the cosmic joy of oneness. It's like plugging your kundalini into a universal power source and feeling the inner course through you. Think about a doctor who tirelessly dedicates their life to healing others. The satisfaction they receive from serving fuels their own growth and fulfillment. It's love on steroids, the ultimate oneness booster. So, my friends, the cosmic dance floor awaits. It's time to ditch the ego salsa and move to the oneness waltz. Here's your challenge. This week, find 4 opportunities to hack your relationships with love. Maybe it's sending a handwritten thank you note to a mentor, volunteering at a local animal shelter, or simply expressing sincere gratitude to your partner. Share your journey in the comments below. Inspire others. And let's build a ripple of love that expands across the entire universe. Remember, oneness isn't some distant mountaintop you have to climb alone. It's woven into the fabric of your everyday connections. Every smile, every act of kindness, every moment of connection is a love hack, unlocking a deeper understanding of yourself and the universe. Love is the key that unlocks the gate to oneness. Deepak Chopra. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing hacks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a step in the oneness waltz. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and remember, love is the ultimate hack.